Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Major Andrew Aranda. I'm a Public Affairs Officer for Marine Forces Reserve. Right now, Brigadier General Bradley S. James, the Commanding General of 4th Marine Aircraft Wing, is going to give a statement. Afterwards, the Commissioner of Public Safety for Mississippi, Marshall L. Fisher, will also provide a statement. The scope of this brief is to provide an update on the recovery and investigation of Yankee 72 that crashed here recently. We are withholding the names of the service members until 24 hours after the next of kin notification. We do not have any time to answer questions, and without further ado, General James.
All right, good morning. 2 days ago, July 10th, 2017, the United States Marine Corps lost a KC-130T Tango model from BMGR 452 based at Stewart Air National Guard Base, Newburgh, New York. BMGR 452 is within the command structure of Marine Air Group 49 and ultimately under me at 4th Marine Air Wing. The mission of the flight, Yankee 72 flight, was that of airlift of a team from Marine Corps Special Operations Command 2nd Raider Battalion based out of Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. The route of the flight was planned from Marine Corps Air Station Cherry Point, North Carolina to Naval Air Facility El Centro, California, and then to Marine Corps Air Station Yuma, Arizona. At approximately 4 p.m. Central Time, air traffic control lost radar contact. Shortly thereafter, large plumes of smoke were discovered in the Itta Bena, Mississippi area. More specifically, 2 large impact areas are half a mile north of Highway 82 and a half mile south of Highway 82. Indications are something went wrong at cruise altitude. There is a large debris pattern. On board were 16 great Americans representing the United States Marine Corps and the United States Navy. 9 of the Marines are from BMGR 452, Newburgh, New York. 6 Marines from 2nd Raider Battalion, Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, and 1 Navy hospital corpsman with the 2nd Raider Battalion, Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. Family members have been notified. Out of respect for the families, we will not release the names or specifics as of now. Expect the roster of names within the next few days. The members involved in response to the Yankee 72 mishap is extensive in agencies and skill sets. We are working through the process in a 4-phased approach. Number 1, recovery of remains and effects, notification of next of kin. Number 2, preservation of the impact sites and equipment. Number 3, investigation. Number 4 will be the cleanup and the restoration of the impact sites. This tragic mishap has brought together many wonderful people from federal, state, and local agencies. I want to identify those agencies. They are in no particular order. The Mississippi Wildlife and Fisheries, the Mississippi Bureau of Investigation, the Mississippi Emergency Management Agency, the Mississippi Highway Patrol, the FBI, ATF, U.S. Army EOD, U.S. Air Force EOD, the Mississippi Office of Homeland Security, the sheriff offices from Leflore and Sunflower counties, the Leflore County Fire Department, the Leflore Coroner's Department, the Leflore Emergency Management Agency, the Salvation Army, the Mississippi Valley State University, the Mississippi State Examiner's Office, the U.S. Armed Forces Medical Examiners Team out of Dover, the U.S. Air Force Safety Team out of Columbus Air Force Base, the DeSoto County Sheriff's Department, the Delta K-9 Team, and the United States Marines from 4th Marine Air Wing and the 2nd Raider Battalion. I also want to thank the rock-solid people of the local area. and your assistance in anything that you have been able to provide us. You make the state of Mississippi great. Now I want to pass the stage to Marshall Fisher. He is the Commissioner of the Department of Public Safety for the state of Mississippi.
Thank you, General. Good morning. Thank you for being here today. What happened Monday is a grim reminder of the sacrifice of the sailors, Marines, airmen that serve our great country. And even though they weren't in a combat situation, it's a loss to families, and out of respect for those families, we appreciate the prayers and support of the people of the great state of Mississippi. It is not a surprise to me to learn of the support of the Marine Corps from the people in Leflore County and from the people of this state. It is not uncommon for Mississippians to be up front at times like this. So thank you for your prayers and your support. The site, crash area, has been secured by elements of the Department of Public Safety, Department of Wildlife, and numerous other law enforcement agencies. As you know, an undertaking like this is there's not just one agency. It's a team effort. We have a pretty large area to cover. There are items that are going to be reviewed by teams on the ground. Some of these may be unsafe. So members of the public, if you happen upon any of these items, I'm going to give you a number to call here in just a minute. And it's very important to note that none of this stuff should be touched. Removal of anything from any of these areas could be subject to criminal prosecution. Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms Bureau, federal agency, has a lead on that. We've been in contact with the U.S. Attorney's Office in the Northern District, acting U.S. Attorney Chad Lamar. So I want to state again, any items removed from this area, person removal